Hey guys, welcome to my channel Zenith Institute where learning matters. In this video, I'm going to give you an essay about my best friend in French language, Mon Meilleur Ami. But before going ahead, I would request you all to please subscribe to our channel Zenith Institute and click the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Let's start. Mon meilleur ami s'appelle Marc. Il a 25 ans. Il est italien, mais il habite à Nice avec sa famille dans notre quartier. Maintenant, il travaille dans une entreprise qui s'appelle électronique et habite à Paris. Il est grand et mince. Il a les beaux yeux bleus. Il a aussi les cheveux blancs et bouclés. Nous sommes ensemble depuis notre enfance. Nous étions dans la même école et chaque jour nous allions à l'école ensemble. Il aime jouer de la guitare et chanter. Il aussi aime lire les livres. Il est très serviable et gentil. English translation. My best friend's name is Marc. He is 25 years old. He is Italian but lives in Nice with his family in our neighborhood. Now he works in a company called Electronique and he lives in Paris. He is tall and thin. He has beautiful blue eyes. He also has blonde and curly hair. We have been together since childhood. We were in the same school and every day we used to go to school together. He likes to play guitar and sings. He also loves to read books. He is very helpful and kind. So this is what my friend is, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, do share with your friends and learning partners, and thank you for watching.